WadeUps.com Management Honest Review. Watch before using. Most small business owners get accounting wrong. They either overpay for complex software or struggle with spreadsheets. WadeUps.com is a free platform designed for invoicing, bookkeeping, and financial management. The surprising truth is how much you can do without spending a dime, and you won't believe how simple it makes tracking income and expenses. Here's how it works. Users can create professional invoices, track payments, and monitor cash flow. It also supports receipt scanning, bank connections, and payroll features for a small fee. Reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and expense tracking are generated automatically. For example, a freelance graphic designer can send invoices, log expenses for software subscriptions, and see real-time cash flow without juggling multiple tools. Most people get this wrong. They think free software is limited or clunky, but WadeUps offers surprisingly comprehensive functionality. WadeUps also integrates with payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, making it easy to get paid quickly. Security is another highlight, with encrypted data storage and user-controlled access. However, there are considerations. While WadeUps covers most small business needs, it may not handle highly complex accounting or enterprise-level reporting. Most people assume it replaces an accountant entirely. Sometimes professional advice is still needed. In conclusion, WadeUps.com is an excellent solution for freelancers and small business owners who want a free, easy-to-use platform for financial management. It saves time, simplifies bookkeeping, and helps businesses stay on top of finances efficiently. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of business management and finance tools.